beautiful viewers. I took over Remy's channel. Just kidding.
You didn't. Didn't take over my channel. But today we are going
But
to
I will be in a lot of videos coming.
Yes. But today we are going to be doing some squishy trading. So I had a burp. Let's start.
Putting that up. The pink glitter dot. Its orange came off, but it's okay. Okay. Would you trade for this like coconut oil ball? Yeah. Except. We got this ball. I'm gonna start it. So let's do this giant butter. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do the viral corn. I don't like corn. Okay, fine. Then I'll do the rare Minecraft cube that at one point became rarer than Nido's did. Really? Yeah, actually. Do one more thing. This mini cube, it's so good. Except! It's foam. True, more foam. Okay, fine. Except! In the trade, the red dumpling. I have a red dumpling, but mine's a knockoff. Mine's a real RMS! Oh my gosh, I need those people to tag us. RMS, please tag us! Or sponsor us. Please. And Nido, please. Okay, let's get back to trading. Okay. Now, what will you put up? Okay. Do you want this axolotl? Get that out. Okay, do you want Nido? I'm kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Right, Remy? Yeah, I don't act like this. You don't. Do you want a Nido? Sure, dumpling for Nido. Except. Yeah. Some stuff that I traded over. What's the other thing that you traded? Yeah, that. Okay. Perfect. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna start it off. How about this cheese squishy? How about some jelly hops? I say yes. Oh my gosh, it's a knockoff Nido jelly hops. The cheese. Okay, now, wait. Okay, now you start it off. Ooh, do you want this? It's not a Nido. Do you want this ice cream? Oh, I have it. Do you want this gummy bear? Fine. Can you add your knockoff? I'll put up the yellow shark edition dumpling. Do you want this? Except. That one is. Ooh, I like this feeling. I love this. Okay, do you want? What's next? What do you want? I mean, ice cream. Ooh, do you want a ring pop? It is bigger. So a ring pop and this egg. Except. The icy. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This one smells really good, and I got an egg too. I ripped her off. Whatever. Okay, what is next? But you're missing your mini butter too. Where's my mini butter? Found it. Okay. Butter. Okay. Do you want yellow cube? Yellow clear as a crystal cube. Yellow cube. This is clear. The clear one. Oh, that's the yellow. Do you want a seashell cube? Except. Yours. It's the same thing, but mine's just less clean. Okay. Purple RMS dumpling. Look, it's even more RMS. That is cool. Okay, I love this one. It's my favorite. Do you want the stick? Get that. Decline that one. Add RMS. Add one more thing. If this is neat, except. Okay. I'm gonna start off the trade now for this gummy bear and this axolotl. Put up the mushroom. For both of those? Yeah. Okay. I ripped you off, but whatever, guys. I'm gonna do this Nido fuzzball. Mini, by the way. I love this. Wait, can I actually feel it? That is pretty good. It gets softer too. Like, oh, that's cool. Do you want to try? Add, accept. Oh, come here. Oh, what do you think? Okay, these two sand things. Butter? Yes. These guys are crap, but whatever. Okay, this is the stuff that we traded. It's a lot, so do you want to end the video or keep